Hello everyone, I welcome you all to again take some hair out and with the help of small thin partitions make a zigzag pattern like this from one end to the another end, and just take partitions from either side and twist and roll your hair in this way. Take some hairs out by rolling it all together and let's see what pattern are we going to get. Now roll it into the form of a beautiful lovely circular bun and secure. Proceeding further in the video, let's see what are we going to get now. Here also you have to secure your hair in this way, making a lovely short braid like this and then twisting your hair from one side to another, taking it out and then securing with the help of beads and clutches, and then making by taking partitions from either side. You have to make a zigzag pattern like these. Just take your hair and keep on making these patterns by taking small partitions of the hair like this from one end, and you have to repeat the same procedure on another side as well, and you will just get an amazing pattern like this. Isn't it looking pretty enough? Proceeding further, take your hair out in this way and take partitions like this. Now make some zigzag patterns by taking small thin partitions, and let's see what are we going to get in the end. Keep on making these partitions by taking some hairs out and then twist your hair, cross your hair in this way, and keep on making a lovely till you get a beautiful lovely braid from one end to the another end. And let's see what end result are we going to get. Must be super beautiful. Now you have to do it on another side as well and join them using your lovely decorative clutches. Now take two partitions from either side, join with the rubber band and then twist your hair and roll your hair in this way. Make braids, thin braids on either side, and with the extra hair in the middle, you have to secure your hair in this way, and by joining the two thin braids together, you have to make a thick plait like this and secure with the help of clutches in the end. Proceeding further, again with the help of comb your hair and then twist your hair and roll your hair in this way till you get a beautiful lovely shape like this, and secure your hair in this way. Take your hair out from one side to another as the one we are doing in the video, and you have to repeat the same procedure on another side as well. And let's see what lovely result are we gonna get. And here's to the result. You have to make some crisscross patterns again, and you have to convert it into a lovely braid like this on either side and join them using lovely clutches and clips like this. Proceeding further, again we are taking some partitions like this from one side to another side, and then keep on making these patterns like this in a crisscross way, and you will end up getting a beautiful lovely result. Now you have to repeat the same procedure on another side as well. This is going to get a net like shape pattern in the end and decorate with the help of your clips and clutches. Let's see what further hairstyle are we going to make. You have to roll your hair into the form of a beautiful bouncy bun like this, and with the extra hair left behind, again roll it in this way and secure it with the help of your clutches and beads, and this is going to look pretty amazing.